It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got a lot of videos for you today because there is a lot going on, including the Bath & Body Works 550 body care sale that they just announced. I just got the email like 10 minutes ago. So tomorrow only, we have Fall Days call for self-care, select body lotion and body cream. 550. Start your list now. So in stores, you're going to need the code. Online, you're going to need soft skin. I am doing this sale. Oh my gosh. So what I did was I clicked on the start your list button and we're going to go through what's available. So the Halloween, new vampire blood, 550 tomorrow. I just paid buy three, get three, but I want to get extra of this because I want to gift some of this off. This is a phenomenal deal. This is when you're going to want to stock up. I love how this smells. You're going to want to stock up on these. Maybe gift these for Halloween. So the new aromatherapy, we have Vetiver Vanilla. I got to get my hands on that. Those apothecary jars, aromatherapy, that is on sale. Everlasting Magic, coffee and whiskey. Of course, the Endless Sea, Midnight Spell, which is the new Halloween body care. Yes. Smells amazing. I still have to review all this, you guys. The men's collection, like Mahogany Teakwood, Into the Night, Cactus Blossom, Sensual Amber, Midnight Blue Citrus. So that entire line that everyone's really interested in for summer, this will be on sale for $5.50 in the cream and the lotion. And the new fall. So this is actually huge because I was wondering if they were going to include the haul. I'm doing a huge order tomorrow. I'm doing like 20. 20 is going to cost you, let's see, how much is 20? Oh my gosh, you guys, you could, if you do 20, which is the limit, 550 times 20, that's $110. I think I might just go for it. So we have all of the new fall scents. We have sweater weather, which I didn't even get. I don't think I got any sweater weather the other day. I'm going to start reviewing some of this stuff to get going. Probably tomorrow. I don't think I can get it all reviewed tomorrow, obviously, but I'm going to review a couple things. I'm probably going to try and review the brand new Together Weather, which is the Blushing Breeze, Sugared Cardamom, and Soft Cedar. I kind of tried this out a little bit. I like it. It's kind of different. It's kind of like a sweet berry outdoorsy. There's something really delicious about this. So this is the new fragrance. I'll try and review that one tomorrow. My glasses are sliding all over the place. Leaves. Oh my gosh. I got to do a first impression, I think, on Leaves tomorrow. Leaves is actually the most interesting scent to come out of fall in a really long time. So this one is crisp apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. What makes this one interesting is the clove. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm still here, Bath & Body Works. They always say, are you still here? Yes, I'm still here. Clove is one of the most interesting scent notes, I think, in a body care. And I was kind of surprised they put clove in here. It's really strong, too. I mean, it's like whoa strong. I don't think a lot of people are going to love this, but the people that do are going to love this. I don't know why I like it, because I don't really like the candle all that much, but for some reason, in the body care, I'm really digging it. I like that apple note. I like the clove note, and there's a little bit of sweetness in there. I haven't really tried it out that much. I want to get the lotion in that really pretty bottle that's faceted. This is a really neat, like, ombre look, but I do have the mist. It's strong, and I think it's really interesting. So I think it's going to be 50-50 split. The people like it, don't like it. A couple of people didn't like the dry down. I love it. There's like an interesting sweet note in the dry down. Pumpkin pecan waffles, also available. Fall in Bloom is back. A lot of people loved Fall in Bloom last year. Marshmallow pumpkin latte actually smells good to me this year. I haven't gotten it yet in the lotion, or the cream, but I'm getting it. I'm going to get all of this stuff tomorrow. Ivy Cashmere is back. And then Black Cherry Merlot. Why am I not seeing Black Cherry Merlot online, though? Is that missing online? Maybe it let me see. Where are you, Black Cherry Merlot? I'm hoping this one's online. I don't think I'm going to get into the store tomorrow. I got so much going on tomorrow. Let me see. Luckily, I have the Black Cherry Merlot. Why isn't Black Cherry Merlot online? I don't get it. Hopefully this comes online tomorrow if you can't get out to the store. I did get it in the cream, so I'm glad I did. So that's really good. Oh my gosh, I love Black Cherry Merlot. This one is dark cherry, black raspberry, and Merlot. This is like a favorite scent for so many people, and a lot of people were upset when this got taken out of the rotation. Oh, it's like this deep, dark cherry. You get the Merlot, and it's wonderful. So, I think my top recommendations, like if you only want to get like 5, oh my gosh, that's really hard, you guys. I would definitely, if I were you, kind of do a mix of Halloween and like the fall. So if you can only get like 5 cents, it's going to cost you like maybe $27. If you want to stay like in that budget, I would get like 2 Halloween and 3 fall. Kind of sample stuff out. If you like the berry fruity stuff, I would either go with the Vampire Blood or the Everlasting Magic. Those are more on the berry side. And then, of course, Midnight Spells, kind of like the airy, outdoorsy scent. And then as far as like the fall products, depending on your taste, if you want to be really bold and try something new, I would go for that Leaves. I think it's really interesting. I'm like, just go for it. Get the Leaves. Let me get back to my list here. I would definitely try something new because what the heck? I would either try Leaves or it's called Together Weather. But this is kind of a berry note. So if you want to try and like, do something different and get a grouping of scents, I wouldn't get Everlasting Magic and Together Weather because they're both kind of berry. I would pick one maybe, depending on what you like. And then, Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, Ivory Cashmere. They're all good ones. The fall ones are great, but there's a lot to choose from. And I think tomorrow is actually going to be a really good day because a lot of people want to sample these out, but they don't want to pay, if you do buy 3, get 3, you're still talking like $9 for a product. So this is going to save you a lot of money to do the $5.50, which I'm so excited about that everyone gets to do fall tomorrow and Halloween. So anyway, let me know what you're shopping for tomorrow. I'm going to be shopping for a lot tomorrow because I want to load up on a lot of the fall scents. And then, like I said, as we go into the week, I'm going to be reviewing all of this product. I have so much stuff to review. It's almost overwhelming. And then, of course, new candles are coming in. We do not have a shortage of stuff to talk about. Anyway, let me know if you're shopping the sale tomorrow. I will see you guys then. Bye-bye.